Today I'll be doing a review and unboxing of the Western Digital Elements hard disk drive. It's a 2 terabyte. Now if you're concerned about speed, you probably want to buy an external hard drive that is a solid state drive. And also the Namaso USB 3.0 extension cables. First I'll be unboxing the Western Digital Elements. I already opened it earlier. So it's just a small hard drive, and what's inside of this black case is actually a laptop hard drive, and it comes with the instructions and this really short USB 3.0 cable. Of course it has the proprietary USB end on one end. And now I'll be opening the Namaso USB 3.0 extensions that I bought. And there's the user manual, again, that we don't really need. And here's the cable itself. It came with a Velcro strap around it to keep it nice and neat. And again, there's the blue USB 3.0 insert. And again, it's blue here. This is the female and this is the male. And this one is just a longer length or shorter length. This one came with 6 foot and I think a 2 foot. Now I will show you the data transfer rate from my SSD to the new Western Digital Elements external hard drive. And this folder here is my pictures. And as you can see, it's 9.59 gigabytes, and we're just going to take it and drag it over there, and then we can watch the speed. Right now you can see that it's doing about 85 megabits or megabytes, pardon me, per second, and it can do up to 100 according to the specifications. And it's only going to take about 2 minutes. See, right now it's doing about over 100 megabytes a second. And that's the reason why I actually bought the USB 3.0 specific extension cables, because if you would take like a USB 2.0 extension and connect it to this new external hard drive, you wouldn't get the full speed out of it. And this drive will also work on smart TVs that have a USB port. Now it's kind of hard to find information, at least for the brand of 4K smart TV that I have, about what USB is on the back of the TV itself. So it could be 3.0, it could be 2.0, but it'll perform on the TV and allow you to play video files, view pictures and stuff like that. And so it's almost finished transferring here. So we'll just let it finish up. And as you can see, everything is there. And now we'll just take a look at the file size. And it says we use 9.8. Part of that might just be some of the files on the Western Digital or something. But I don't have compressed this drive to save disk space on, because there's no reason. 2 terabytes is 2,000 gigabytes, so it should be plenty of space before I have to like get another one or something. So that was just a quick review of the Western Digital Elements external hard disk 2 terabyte and the Namaso USB 3.0 extension cables. Subscribe or visit my YouTube channel.